Welcome to Parquet Hinterseer. Today we will show you how to lay Parat Vinyl 600 SK. The tools required are a cutter knife, a folding rule, a pencil and a pressure roller, at least 40 kilograms. Check in advance whether the subfloor is ready for installation. The subfloor must be acclimatized in the room for 24 hours before installation. Start in the corner of the room and roll out the first strip of Parat Vinyl 600 SK, covering film on top, lengthways towards the top floor with the adhesive side facing up. Cut to length according to the length of the room. First, pull off one of the two protective film strips flat. Position the first plank along the protective film. Place the second plank on the long side of the first plank, approximately half offset. Lay the other planks offset. When adjusting the planks to the wall, ensure there is a gap of around 15 millimeters. You can cut corners with a cutter knife. Once two rows of planks have been completely laid, you can roll out the next layer of underlayment. If a new strip is added, make sure that the two strips overlap slightly. You can cut them to fit precisely by making a double cut through both strips. When moving to the next course, make sure that the plank must overlap both courses by 5 centimeters each. If a plank is positioned incorrectly, you can realign it for up to 30 minutes. After completing the installation, you must roll the entire floor with a pressure roller.